This is Spencer and welcome to my channel. Well, I'm hanging wallpaper today after painting until about 6 o'clock in the morning. And I got about 2 hours of sleep. And that is because my sprayer whacked me in the head at about 4:30 in the morning. Anyway, as I'm struggling through my wallpaper hanging job today in sunny Florida, in the Tampa Bay area, I discovered yesterday, in the most unlikely of places, the industry equivalent of Roman's Pro 999 or Zinsser's Shields, S-H-I-E-L-D-S or Z. I forget which one they put on it, but it's wallpaper primer. It's what you use to size your walls and ceilings before you hang your wallpaper. Now, you want to know the secret, and I have it. So I'm going to give it to you, and I was going to give it to you on this video, but I decided that after 100 people ask me, hey, what is the product that you discovered? I'm not going to reveal it. So ask away, just put in the comment section, hey, what's that product? I'll tell you what I discovered is the industry's equivalent to Roman's Pro 999. And this is, now the price is the same. The price is the same as the Romans. In fact, you're seeing it on my nose. It's the same price as Roman's Pro 999. Here's the difference. You can get it, it's more accessible, and you don't have to shop online, and you can go to one of your local stores. Hint, hint. Okay, so if you ask, I'll tell you, but you have to be at least the 100th person who asks in the bottom of this YouTube channel. So ask below, click on subscribe, and like the video. Okay, so this is about wallpaper primer and what you use before you hang your wallpaper. So if you want to know it, I'll tell it to you, but you have to ask. Okay, when you're the 100th person, and do me a favor, as you see all of the questions, number your question 1, 2, 3, so that I don't have to count them. Okay? I'll tell you when I get to the 100th person. Who knows? I might be by tomorrow. Some of these videos are getting very popular. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on like. See you again. My number is 813-666-7002, or you can reach me at www.spencercolgan.com. And don't you like my little white mark? It actually matches the bruise on my head that I got whacked with last night. Anyway, see you on the next one, and let's make this fun, okay?